Right, I've been a bit bored, so I thought I'd have a go at electroplating, nickel plating. I've done a couple of brass bits. Look at them. Not bad, but the preparation work wasn't so clever. So it's obviously like paintwork, your prep is everything. So what I'm going to do next is this little brake stay. I'm going to strip all the paint off. This is Ian Kelseys little C110, but I've got to get all the prep right, so I'll get that done and then we'll have a look at the plating. Right, I've stripped it all off, polished it. There's a couple of dinks in it, but we're going to have to live with that. I'll have to polish it too far. So Ian, here we go. I ain't got a clue, mate. That goes in there. I've got this up to temperature. I'll take the heater out. So that's in. Fine. So what we do now, we check the amp meter. A piece like that, I should think 1.5 amps. You can use bulbs to regulate it. That's 0.4. A little bit too much. Oh, look at that, 1.2, that'll do. So what I'm going to do now is leave that for probably 35-40 minutes and see what we got. Right, let's have a look at Ian's plating that I've been doing. Oh, this ain't looking good. I've got something wrong here. Let's turn that off. That's all that's left. Look at that. Bloody Corona gets everywhere. Sorry, Ian. Nah, honestly, Ian. There it is. Didn't get a perfect metal finish, but it's plated. Need to work on me preparation a bit more.